The Quran speaks of a painful event in history, the incident of ifk or false accusation. Many people wrongly associate it with Ayesha, but authentic Shia history tells us the truth is very different. The slander was directed at Lady Maria al-Qibtiyya, the pure wife of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and the mother of his beloved son, Ibrahim. Shockingly, Ayesha herself was among those who spread this accusation against Lady Maria, but Allah Himself defended her purity. Surah Al-Noor revealed verses clearing Lady Maria's name forever. This was a divine declaration that the family of the Prophet, peace be upon him, remains pure from such slander. Truth matters, and the truth is, the incident of ifk was about Lady Maria, not Ayesha. Let's honor her dignity as Allah did.